Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok verification failed. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is ensure you have a stable internet connection. In order to do so, simply try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, and it should go ahead and fix it. Also ensure that your VPN is turned off. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store right over here. Click on your profile icon, click on personalized recommendations, click on clear app usage data and click on that again, and that will clear all the app usage data or cache that will go ahead and fix your problem. If that is not the case, try to search for your TikTok on your app store and then click on the application, and as you can see there's a little update button. Click on that and a brand new version or a newer version of TikTok should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.